Sorry guys, I had to cut the video short. I had something I had to do. But now we're going to be blowing this up. So yep, I've pressurized it with air. I've got a hammer. Just a warning, it is going to make a really loud noise. Did you hear that? That is all the pressure in it releasing. Now notice the bag is has air in it now. All that air was in the glass bottle. I'm gonna just crush it up a bit. It's glass, so you don't want it to be recognizable. And now I'm just gonna crush out that glass now. Don't want to go to prison. And I have to figure out how I'm gonna dispose of all this glass. Wonderful. Oh, and some of it fell out. Glass. Awesome. Alright, thank you for watching. Bye.